Hello everyone, this is Yamin and in this tutorial we are going to see for loop in Python. So I am going to show you everything from the very beginning step by step. So let's say you want to print from on put 10 and you want to use for loop. So how can I do it? So for it, in order to use for loop, you need to say over here for, then you need to mention a variable. Let's say the variable name will be 8, then we say over here in range. And here in this range we need to give two first bracket and then we need to mention the range. So we saw on here 6 and here if we just print, if we just over here print and if we just over here x, and we also need to give a clone over here. Don't forget the clone. So here we are saying for x in range and the range is 6. So it means it will print from 0 to 5. So the index number starts from 0. So it will print from 0 to 5. Here you can see we have given range 6. So this will be the value of x. So right now if we just run it, and here you can see it printed 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because the range starts from 0. If you give over here 7 and then run it, you will see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, or there is one more thing that you can do is that you can also start from different number. For example, you do not want to start from 0. You want to start from 3. So you need to say over here 3, 7. So right now if we just run this, there you can see it started from 3, 4, 5, 6. It will print about in 6. So right now let's say you want to print something like 10 times. For example, let's say over here print I love Python and here we are going to say range will be 10. So right now if we run it, I will see or we will see I love Python 10 times. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is how you can print something using for loop for 10 times. So right now I will going to show you how we can print array using for loop. So right now let me just declare or let me just remove those and let me declare a variable. Let's say the variable name will be fruits equal to, and we give two third bracket and inside it we are going to say, let's say apple, and after that we give a comma over here again to CL quotation, and inside it we are going to say over here banana, and then we say over here let's say orange, O-R-A-N-G, orange. So right now we want to print this. So how can we print it? In order to print it using for loop, what we can do is that we are going to mention for, then again we are going to mention a variable and the variable name will be x. You can declare different variable like a or b or c, whatever. So let's just go with x, and after this we need to serve here in, and then we need to mention this variable name which is fruits. So we are going to serve here fruits, and then what we are going to do is that we are going to serve here print, and again I forgot to give a clone over here. We are going to serve here print and we are going to print x. So and there is a arrow, and the thing is we need to start from here. The for should be at the beginning. Okay, so here what we are doing is that we are saying for x in fruits. It means whatever value we have inside the fruit, we have apple, banana and orange value inside the fruit. Whatever value we have inside the fruit will be right now in the variable called x. And here we are printing the variable x. So right now if we just run it, we will see apple, banana and orange showing on by on. So when we are using for loop, we do not need to increase the value by 1. Okay, that way we did for the while loop. So for loop we just need to say over here x in fruits and then just print the x, and it will print all the value we have in this fruits variable or in this fruits array. Okay, so right now if I now just run it, here you can see apple, banana and orange, and if we have more data over there, it will also print those data as well. Let's say what here tomato, and if we now run, and there you can see tomato. So right now let me just show you how we can use if condition inside for loop. So here what we are going to do is we are going to mention an if condition. So we saw one here if, and then we give a condition. Let's say when the value is equal banana, it will be banana. When the value is equal banana, we are going to print you found a banana. And after that, we need to give a clone over there. And after that, we are going to write a else condition. If there is no banana, we saw it here else. Print whatever we have in the X. Okay, we need to write it over here like this. And like this actually. Okay, but let me just expand. So here, we have all the data in the food in the X variable, and here we are checking when the value of X is equal banana, then it will print you found a banana. Otherwise, when there is apple, orange and tomato, it will just print those. I hope I'm clear. So right now, if I just run it, here you can see apple, and after that, the value after printing apple, the value become banana, the value of X. So it printed you found a banana. And then it will go to the orange, and obviously orange not equal banana, so it will print normally. So it will go to the else condition and just print normally. Okay, so this is how you can use if condition in for loop. I hope you are clear. I tried to make this as simple as possible. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any question or any problem, just let me know in the comment section, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.